You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Folake Aremu, a 60-year-old Yoruba actress popularly known as Orisabunmi, has died. Her death comes 4 months after the death of her former husband, Jimoh Aliu, better known as Aworo. Bolaji Amusan, alias Mr. Latin, president of the Theatre Arts and Motion Pictures Practitioners Association of Nigeria (TAMPAN), announced she died on Tuesday night. Read Mr. Latin's statement. According to the actor, Orisabunmi died at 11 p.m. after a brief illness. The death was also confirmed in a Facebook post by another senior TAMPAN member, Tunde Ola Yusuf. Saidi Balogun, Ronke, Oshodi, others took to their various Instagram pages to pay their last respect.